YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to find and download free themes and wallpapers for your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This will work for your S24 Ultra, S24, and your S24 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to download or try to find free themes on your S24 series of phones, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. And the key to doing this is actually an app that you already have pre-installed on your phone called the Galaxy Themes app. In case you didn't know, it's more than just a customization tool. The Galaxy Theme app is a way for Samsung to allow you, the user, to personalize your experience. So you can use this app if you're looking to refresh your phone's appearance or actually completely transform its design. The app offers several options for you to customize and change the appearance of your phone. And you have access to several hundred pre-made themes, wallpapers, and icon packs, and even always-on display styles as well. And one of the most exciting features of the Galaxy Themes apps is the ability to completely overhaul your phone's look, from the home screen to the lock screen and everything in between. You can choose from a broad selection of themes, wallpapers within the app, and it also allows you to create your own unique style by mixing and matching different elements. So to access the Galaxy Themes apps, it's actually quite easy. There's a few ways of doing so, as it's integrated directly into the UI. The first way of accessing the Galaxy Themes apps is to actually hold down on an empty section of your home screen. So if you hold down here, you'll see this menu pop up. And this menu has several features that allow for customization. But the one we're looking for here is actually themes. And if you hit themes, you'll be taken directly into the Galaxy Themes app. Another way of accessing the Galaxy Themes app is actually through your homepage icons. So if you search up themes in your homepage, you'll actually be able to access the app for the Galaxy Themes app here. And once you open it up here, you'll be taken to this page. Now this page has some paid and free apps, and you'll notice if you scroll down here, you'll have various themes that match with the seasons and other things that are going on. And you'll have static as well as animated wallpapers here as well. There's a few ways that you can make sure that you want to find free ones. The first and easiest way is to actually type in the search bar, and you can type in free, and then this will bring up a lot of free themes, wallpapers, icons, and always-on displays. Some of them will still be paid, but you'll be able to quickly browse some of the more recent and more popular ones if you type in free here. The second way of actually accessing and making sure that you have all the free apps is to actually go into top here, at the top of the home page on your Galaxy Themes apps, and hit top. And then from there, it will filter in all of the new top apps. After you hit top, what you want to do is actually hit the drop-down menu at the left here. And as you can see, by default, it's going to be selected to all. And as you can see, when all is selected, you have some paid wallpapers like this one, and this is coming up in our feed as a paid app. And as you can see, you can download a trial and you can also pay for it. But if you want to filter for all free wallpapers and styles, you can actually do so by hitting that drop down, and as you can see, your options are all paid and free, so you want to hit free there. And then from there, you'll be taken to all of the free apps. And as you can see, if you hit on one of these free searches, it will pull up a free wallpaper and theme that you can use. And this one has a description and some ratings, and you can just hit download there, and you'll be able to download it as a wallpaper. The same goes for some of the other features that are available through the Galaxy Themes apps, such as themes, wallpapers here, icons, and always-on displays as well. So if you're looking to customize any of those aspects of your phone, it's actually pretty easy to do so, and pretty easy to find free apps. And there you have it, everyone, just a quick tip on how to download and find free wallpapers and themes for your Samsung Galaxy S24 device. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.